let's cover the topic angiography into. Angiography is a medical procedure in which dye is injected into the blood vessels. Angio means blood vessels or the arteries. इसमें एक contrast dye इंजेक्ट की जाती है ब्लड वेसल्स में और उसके एक्सरे लिए जाते हैं, ठीक है। तो जहाँ कहीं से भी ब्लॉकेज होगी या एबनॉर्मेलिटी होगी फिगर आउट हो सकती है। इससे हमें ब्लॉकेज का पता लगेगा, आर्टरी की मसल्स वीक हो जाए और वो आउटवर्ड प्रोट्रूड कर जाए, सो दैट इज एन्यूरिज्म। एनी मालफॉर्मेशन और द वेस्कुलर डिसीजेस एंड एंजियोप्लास्टी एंड स्टंट प्लेसमेंट को ये गाइडेंस करती है, दैट इज एंजियोग्राफी। So let's review the pre-procedure, intra-procedure and the post-procedure checklist. First one is the assess the allergy for any dye. Iodine या contrast agent से allergy को हमें detect करना है because the allergic reaction can trigger the anaphylaxis. Second one is हम dye inject कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए patient को proper urinary output होना चाहिए, ठीक है। The second point is the test the renal function. Creatinine का level देखना है, GFR that must be more than 30 ml per hour. There is a complication that is the contrast induced nephropathy. Third and the most important point is the hold the metformin. Metformin एक drug है that is given to the diabetic patients and it can cause lactic acidosis. So hold the metformin at least 24 to 48 hours before and restart it 48 hours after the procedure to prevent the lactic acidosis. Because it is the invasive procedure, so you should obtain the informed consent. Next is the NPO 6 to 8 hours prior to the procedure to prevent the aspiration. So next is during the procedure. Firstly, IV contrast is injected. So जब IV contrast inject करते हैं पेशेंट को एजुकेट करना है कि डाई इंजेक्शन के टाइम भी आपको वार्म या फ्लशिंग सेंसेशन हो सकती है। You have to watch out for the anaphylactic reactions that might be due to the iodine, hypotension and the arrhythmia. Catheter is placed in your heart, so it may cause the arrhythmias. In case of coronary angiography, you must attach the ECG leads to the patient to monitor the or to figure out the any arrhythmia. And you have to maintain the sterility throughout the procedure. During the procedure, you have to watch out for the 3 complications. First one is the allergic reaction, rash, dizzy and the hypotension हो सकता है, bleeding and the hematoma at the catheter insertion site. So in this case, you have to apply the pressure post procedure. Third one is the renal impairment. You have to monitor the urinary output of the patient and the creatinine level. And last one is the post procedure care. First point is the monitor the insertion site. अगर तो femoral है so patient must be lie flat and head of the bed can be elevated max to max 15 degrees. Check for the bleeding, hematoma and any swelling. Second one is the encourage hydration. It will help to flush out the contrast dye to protect the kidney. Third one is the assess the delayed hypersensitivity reaction and bed rest for 4 to 6 hours to prevent the bleeding at the puncture site and avoid heavy lifting 24 to 48 hours, reduce risk of bleeding. So mnemonic to recall, first is the you have to remember the word safe angio from the S for site care, monitor for bleeding or the hematoma, A for allergy check, iodine or contrast, F for fluids to maintain the hydration, E for educate the patient pre-procedure, post-procedure and the intra-procedure, A for access site monitoring, radial and the femoral for any hematoma or the bleeding, N for nephrotoxicity, so you have to monitor the renal function test, G for guide catheter carefully to prevent the injury or arrhythmias, I for informed consent because it is an invasive procedure, O for observation for the complication. एंजियोग्राफी कैन बी द कोरोनरी एंजियोग्राफी जहाँ पे हम हार्ट में ब्लॉकेज देखते हैं, सेरेब्रल एंजियोग्राफी जो हम ब्रेन के लिए करते हैं, पेरिफेरल एंजियोग्राफी जो हम पेरिफेरल ब्लड वेसल्स के लिए करते हैं. सो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट द एंजियोग्राफी. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.